They're not the flashiest part of your vehicle, but when a car battery fails, it's a problem you notice fast. Whether your mornings start in sub-zero temperatures or your vehicle sits for days between drives, the right battery makes all the difference. In this video, we've listed the top 6 car batteries for 2025, based on key specs, real-world reliability, and what kind of driving they're best suited for. Whether you're looking for strong cold starts, longer life, or everyday dependability, we've got you covered. Links to every battery mentioned in this video are in the description below. Number 6. Odyssey Standard Series. If you're looking for something that's a clear step up from the average lead-acid battery, but you're not ready to jump into the premium AGM category, the Odyssey Standard Series is a strong middle ground option. It's designed with reliability in mind and works well for most daily drivers, especially in moderate climates where battery strain isn't as extreme. Built in the US with military-grade construction, this battery is engineered to last. It offers a deep cycle design, meaning it can handle repeated discharging and recharging far better than conventional options. That makes it a solid pick for vehicles with accessories like upgraded audio systems, dash cams, or winches. The recharge rate is one of its more notable strengths. In many cases, it can go from flat to fully charged in just 4 to 6 hours, which comes in handy if you occasionally leave lights on or let the car sit for extended periods. You'll also get a longer overall lifespan, anywhere from 3 to 10 years depending on usage and maintenance. It's versatile enough to work in sedans, small trucks, and even some power sports vehicles. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. It's noticeably heavier than other batteries in its group size, and the price is on the higher end for a non-AGM unit. You also might find limited availability in some areas, especially if you're not buying online. Still, for the mix of durability, recharge speed, and long-term value, the Odyssey Standard Series earns a spot on this list. Number 5. EverStart Maxx, Walmart exclusive. If you're trying to keep costs low without sacrificing everyday reliability, EverStart Maxx is one of the most accessible options out there. Sold exclusively at Walmart, this battery has built a solid reputation among drivers who want something dependable with minimal hassle and at a price that's hard to beat. The EverStart Maxx line covers a wide range of group sizes, including 24F, 35, 78, and 65, making it a straightforward replacement for many OEM batteries. With cold cranking amps ranging from 600 to 900 depending on the model, it offers enough starting power to handle most weather conditions, especially the cold starts that tend to strain cheaper batteries. It's also maintenance-free, so there's no need to check fluid levels, and the built-in carrying handle is a nice touch for easy installation. One of the strongest selling points here is the 3-year free replacement warranty, which is better than what many budget-tier competitors offer. Of course, it's important to know what you're getting. This isn't an AGM battery, so if your vehicle deals with extreme heat, off-road vibration, or high accessory loads, this may not be the best fit. And while most units perform as expected, some users have reported inconsistencies from one batch to the next, likely due to regional manufacturing differences. Still, if you want something simple, affordable, and backed by a solid warranty, and you like the convenience of being able to walk into nearly any Walmart and grab one off the shelf, the EverStart Maxx delivers where it counts for the price. Number 4. ACDelco Gold AGM, formerly Professional AGM. For drivers who want to step up from basic lead-acid batteries, especially those with modern vehicles or GM models, the ACDelco Gold AGM is a dependable choice. It's designed to handle the higher electrical demands that come with things like infotainment systems, heated seats, or stop and start engine features. This is a true AGM battery, not a hybrid. That means it's built for better cycling and greater durability in stop-and-go traffic. It's also a good match for vehicles that regularly run accessories while the engine's off, like work trucks or rideshare vehicles. Cold cranking amps vary by size, but you'll typically see ratings from 760 to 900 and above, which is more than enough for harsh winter mornings. Another solid design detail is the vent cap system, which helps reduce the risk of acid leakage over time. Something that's especially useful if your battery is mounted inside the cabin or trunk. And in terms of lifespan, this battery tends to hold up well in city driving, where frequent stops and short trips tend to wear batteries down faster. It's not the cheapest battery in the aisle, though. If your vehicle has relatively light electrical needs, this might be more battery than you truly need. But if you want the security of a GM performance with a name that fits right in with GM vehicles, the ACDelco Gold is easy to recommend, especially if you're looking for a mid-range upgrade without going all the way to the top of the price spectrum. Number 3. Odyssey Performance AGM. If your vehicle demands more than just average starting power, whether it's a diesel truck, off-road build, or something with high electrical draw, the Odyssey Performance AGM stands out as a high-end solution that's built to take a beating. This battery is dual purpose, meaning it's designed for both starting and deep cycle use. That's a big plus for vehicles running winches, high-powered audio, or extra lighting. With cold cranking amps between 850 and 950 on most models, it has no trouble firing up large engines, even in extreme cold. One of the things that sets Odyssey apart is its ability to operate in a wide range of temperatures, from as low as -40 degrees up to 140 degrees. That makes it a strong pick for drivers in harsh climates or those who split time between cold winters and hot summers. Its non-spillable AGM design also means it can be mounted in different positions, and it's built with thick internal plates to resist vibration, ideal for rough terrain or commercial use. Odyssey claims a service life of up to 10 years depending on how it's maintained, which is significantly longer than standard batteries. That longevity makes the upfront price easier to justify over time. But make no mistake, this is one of the pricier batteries on the list, and because of its deep cycle properties, it performs best when paired with a smart charger that's designed for AGM maintenance. For those who need top-tier performance and durability, especially in work or off-road environments, the Odyssey Performance AGM is hard to beat. Number 2. DieHard Platinum AGM. DieHard is a familiar name in the battery world, and the Platinum AGM version lives up to its reputation by offering solid performance, strong durability, and wide availability. If you drive a modern vehicle loaded with electronics or one that uses a start-stop system, this battery is built to handle the extra demand without skipping a beat. It features true AGM construction with deep cycle capability, which means it can discharge and recharge multiple times without wearing out like a standard lead-acid battery would. That's important if you're running things like a dash cam, mobile charging stations, sound systems, or emergency equipment. Cold cranking amps vary by size, but most models range from 760 to over 900, so it's more than capable of reliable starts in cold weather. It's also completely sealed and maintenance-free, with a leak and spill-proof design that works well for installations in trunks or tight compartments. One of the bigger advantages here is convenience. DieHard Platinum AGM is sold through Advanced Auto Parts, so you can usually get one the same day and take advantage of their in-store installation and support. It's also backed by a solid warranty, which adds peace of mind. It's a little on the heavier side, and you'll pay more than you would for a flooded battery, but the extended lifespan helps offset the cost over time. For drivers who want consistent, long-term reliability without going fully into commercial-grade territory, the DieHard Platinum AGM is a dependable choice. Number 1. Optima RedTop AGM. If your top priority is reliable starting power, especially in cold climates or for vehicles that don't get driven every day, the Optima RedTop AGM consistently ranks among the best. It's engineered for performance, with a design that focuses on fast, strong starts under tough conditions. What makes it different is the spiral cell construction. Unlike flat-plate AGM batteries, this design allows for lower internal resistance, which translates into quicker starts and more consistent cranking power. Most RedTop models offer cold cranking amps in the 720 to 800 plus range, making it ideal for trucks, muscle cars, and daily drivers that see all kinds of weather. The 90-minute or greater reserve capacity is another standout feature that helps support short trips, high-drain starts, or leaving accessories running for a bit without draining the battery too quickly. It's also extremely vibration-resistant, so it works well in vehicles that see a lot of road shock. Think lifted trucks, off-roaders, or work vans. One of its best strengths is shelf life. Even if the vehicle sits for long periods, the RedTop tends to hold a charge far better than many others. It's also sealed, maintenance-free, and corrosion-resistant. The downside? It's not designed for deep cycle use. So if you're powering appliances in an RV or plan to drain and recharge frequently, this isn't the right battery. And while the price is higher than standard lead-acid units, many drivers find the long-term reliability well worth it. For consistent, no-fuss performance, especially in harsh or unpredictable conditions, the Optima RedTop earns its spot at the top of the list. That wraps up our list of the top car batteries for 2025. Whether you're after long-term reliability, strong cold weather starts, or just a solid budget-friendly replacement, there's something here for every driver. Just make sure to consider your climate, how often you drive, and what kind of electrical load your vehicle handles. Let us know in the comments which battery you're using or planning to buy. All the product links are down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.